I thought it would be a good way to get to meet some new people, meet some of the professors, and just kind of learn some things before jumping into the school year. We are the chemistry of baking, and we've learned all about like sourdough starters and stuff like that. There's actually a lot of chemistry in baking, like whenever you're cooking bread and the bread rises, that's a chemical reaction. The browning, the edge of your pizza crust, that's a chemical reaction. Melting cheese, that's a chemical reaction. There's all sorts of chemistry in baking. I definitely learned how to work with different environments. I'm definitely not usually a baker, so that definitely threw me into a new environment, and I thought that was really important. Definitely do it. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. You get to meet new people. It's fun.